What's up, guys, and good morning. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Angeles City, Philippines. If you are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I have had a Patreon of mine ask me, hey, what is open during the day? If I come there, hang out, party, enjoy the nightlife, enjoy the daytime life, what is open during the day on Walking Street? What bars are open? What time do they open? Well, what better way to find out than this morning to take a little walk down through here, show you what bars are open in the morning, what time they open, and basically what time they close. So that's what we're going to do this morning. That's on the agenda. So we're down here at the far end, MacArthur Highway straight ahead, McDonald's on the right. We're coming in this way. Here we go. Here, these are empty. Remember, one of these here used to be a adult bookstore, an adult store that sold adult items, and that didn't last very long. I knew it wouldn't last very long. But you got the Paradise Bar on the left. That is open in the morning. I don't know what time they open, but they are open in the morning. Place sit down, order food, order something to drink. Now, as far as the entertainment establishments, we're gonna find out, right? Remember, somebody was saying walk around hotel, and then if you look inside, it says walk about hotel. People were talking about that. Walk around hotel up top, inside, walk about hotel. That was one of the things people were saying. Look at this dude. Look at Jesus Christ. He's like a pirate. Ever seen that dude around? Maybe somebody has seen him around. I just noticed this up here on the left too, right here. Right in here. It says soft opening, right here, soft opening. And I asked that gentleman in there, he didn't quite know. He said it's the Dragon Bar. Then again, it might be a different name, but that's what's on the wall. Soft opening here. Now this club up here on the left, they open at 10 a.m. and they said that they close at 4, 5, depends. This place here, our best go-go bar. He said they close 4:35. Basically, it depends on the amount of customers in there. Gold Bar, they told me that place opens at 11 o'clock till 4:30, 5 o'clock. Once again, all these bars that are open in the morning, I asked them coming down through, and they told me depends on the amount of people that are in there. You know, if they're full, they're not going to close. They're going to stay open. They're going to continue to serve to make their money. Baccarat, they open at 10. He told me 10 o'clock they open. Baccarat. Hey, buddy. They close when they're empty, I guess. It's very warm out today. None of these are open during the day. A lot of the bars, I'll find out. But up here you got Cosplay. Cosplay is open. They open at 10 a.m. They open. They close when there's no more customers left. The Viking Bar on the right-hand side, they open at 10 and they close at 4:30, 5 o'clock. Got their balloons, they got their parties, they got their party going on.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi to Peter and Kate.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Want to shout out to anybody?
US,
Huh?
Arizona.
Arizona?
Yeah.
Who's in Arizona?
My ex.
Your ex?
Peter M. Kate, say hi.
You and Kate. Say hi.
Peter M. Kate.
Peter and... I say that again. Peter and Kate.
M. Kate.
M. Kate. Oh, okay. All right. What about you? Shout out? No shout out?
Not shout out, but shout out.
All right, girls. Yeah, that's a wonder they stopped and talked. Champagne is closed during the day. Bananarama, Bad Boys, Apples, all closed during the day. I just seen this up here on the left. Angel Witch. Looks like they're doing construction over there at Apple. So that's another bar that is doing construction, going to open up with new construction. Right here on the left is Angel Witch. Angel Witch just changed their hours. They are now open from 12 noon to 5 a.m. starting April 1st. So there it is. Kokomo's on the left. They're open for breakfast, for dinner, for drinks. None of these are open yet during the day. I have to ask. There is a certain time that these bars pretty much all open. Cashier, therapist, age 18 to 35 years old. Bring resume and Xerox any IDs. Morning, morning. Hey, what time do the bars open? You know what time they open?
5.
5 o'clock. Most of them open at 5.
Not yet.
Yeah, some open different, but a lot are 5. That's what. Okay, thank you, buddy. So he's telling me 5. They all mostly open at 5. They're open right now. They're just cleaning up and getting out trash and restocking. And here's the big one right here on the left. Dollhouse, they said, is opening soon. That is the rumor. That is the rumor. Dollhouse is opening. Only one way to find out. They got it all painted up. Looks nice. That's the rumor. The rumor is they are opening. Let me ask them quick since it's open. All right, we're back on. I poked my head in there and didn't see anybody, but there's a lot of construction going on, painting going on inside. So, but that's the rumor. They will be opening here real soon. Of course, Club Atlantis is open now, but not in the morning. There you go. Send your resume in. I'll show you another one that I noticed is under construction also. Down here on the left. Envy's, there's quite a few people in there. Philly's, guys. Philly's, I see now, is open. They got new hours on the weekend. Thursday, this is what I read online. Maybe somebody will correct me with them if I'm wrong. But every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they are open 24 hours. That's their new thing. Down here on the right, I want to show you this. I don't want to get run over here. Las Vegas, check it out. I noticed they were doing some construction. You see the dudes up there painting? That's cool though that they're leaving that alone. To me, that's just cool. That old, you know, the way that looks here, the what do you call it? Like the Pharaoh Sphinx thing up there, a little castle top thing going on. The girl out there laying out. Las Vegas. I did notice that, like I said, a lot of construction going on inside. And as you guys can see, a lot of painting. Doors open. Let me kind of see if I can get an answer on that. A lot of construction going on in here. First time I was ever stepped inside this club here. 1 month, he said. 1 month. and they'll be back up and running. All right, here we go again. Yes, I did confirm it again with Phillies, and they are. Those hours and those days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they are open 24 hours. So if you're done drinking or hanging out down on Walking Street and you want to go somewhere and you want to eat, and you want to eat something, continue drinking, they will be open. Here's another one down here I want to show you. You got this live house here. I was told it's music on the left here, left-hand side here. And then you got this other place down here. They got a lot of construction going on. Can't see it at night, so I don't come down here at night. But this place here has got a lot of construction going on. All right. All right, all right. There it is, guys. They're doing a lot of construction there. I mean, they got that whole front end all ripped up and the interior all gutted out. Right, Drake. Sky tracks on your left. Nighttime, not during the day. Ace Bar up here on the left. Suya. From dusk till dawn it says, but nobody there to ask what time they open. Like I said, somebody just wanted to know what, a Patreon wanted to know which clubs on Walking Street we're open during the day and what time. You go up Perimeter Road, some of those bars up that way open earlier, but I can't really give you an exact time that they do open. This building is for rent. Camelot for rent. They always had this bar right here on the left. It used to be called Lenny's. It's got a new name now. I don't remember the name of it now, but that it seems to be open in the morning. You want to sit and get something to drink there, coffee, beer, hey, whatever your desire is. We're just gonna walk up here and gonna get the peso rate real quick. And guys, like I said, this is Saturday. There's a peso rate in there of 51.30 at Natalia. Like I said, it's Saturday, and guess what? Saturday evening, I always do my evening walk up through here because I have a Patreon that requests it via Patreon to do a weekly night walk through here. So I will just be one of a dozen videos up on YouTube of Angeles City Walking Street. It only takes, if you walk and don't stop, it only takes you about 10, at most 15 minutes to walk from up here, excuse me, where the money changers are, to the end of Walking Street. 10 to 15 minutes. And that's walking non-stop, not stopping for anything. Nah, buddy. To the left is JJ's Market. If you're up here, you need a little supermarket to go to, JJ's. It says they're open 24 hours now. So I recommend if you're up in this area and you're staying here, go to JJ's or Johnny's on MacArthur for all your little snacks and all your little goodies. Even buy your own beer there for back in your hotel room. What's up, buddy?
Thanks, sir.
Oh, no, thank you. Hindi po. Hindi po. And here we are. Somebody just yelled at me. Just ran into a subscriber. He didn't really yell at me. He said, yeah, you always give out the US dollar. Why don't you give out the pound too? So let me get the pound. Here we are, Friendship Gate Terminal. Now 5130, that's kind of what the average is. How much is the pound? 66 on the pound. What about, what is Australia? Is that a pound? Is the Aussie money pound? No? What's the Aussie rate? $27. 37 is the Aussie rate. All right, thank you, Ati. There it is. I don't know the pound, the Aussie rate, the yen, the whatever. All I know is the US dollar. That's all I know, guys. So, all right, guys, there it is. Like I said, I had a subscriber who is also a Patreon asked me to do this walk. So there it is. This evening I will do my night walk and show you what's going on at night around here. So, all right, guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Share with your family and friends on Facebook. If you're one of those people that watch the channel all the time, but how you doing? All right, thank you. Are you subscribers?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you.
All right. All right, good deal.
Content.
Got some subscribers right now, speaking of. Anyways, guys, if you're one of those people that watch the videos all the time but don't subscribe, please help me out and subscribe. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.